Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting comebacks in the SUV world, the all-new 2026 Land Rover Freelander. After years of anticipation, Land Rover has revived this iconic nameplate with a futuristic twist, blending luxury off-road performance and electrified efficiency into one stunning package. The Freelander is no longer just an entry-level SUV. It's a smart, stylish, and capable machine designed for modern explorers. At first glance, the 2026 Freelander's exterior makes a bold statement. The design language feels distinctly Land Rover, but with smoother lines and a more aerodynamic shape that signals the brand's move toward sustainability and future-ready design. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek, closed grille, with integrated LED matrix headlights that resemble laser beams cutting through the night. The daytime running lights form a continuous light signature, giving the SUV a premium and recognizable road presence. The sculpted sides feature flush door handles, aerodynamic alloy wheels up to 21 inches, and subtle Freelander badging that nods to its heritage. The rear is equally impressive with a clean design, dynamic LED taillights, and a panoramic tailgate that enhances both style and practicality. Every inch of the Freelander has been crafted to balance ruggedness and elegance, perfect for city drives or weekend adventures in the wild. Stepping inside, the interior feels like a luxurious cocoon of modern British craftsmanship. The cabin combines high-quality recycled materials, sustainable leathers, and soft-touch surfaces, creating an environment that's both eco-conscious and premium. The minimalist dashboard design is dominated by a floating 13.1-inch PV Pro touchscreen with haptic feedback, paired with a fully digital driver display that offers customizable layouts. Land Rover's attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the ambient lighting system that adjusts to your mood to the hidden storage spaces that make long trips more convenient. The seats are beautifully contoured and available with heating, cooling, and massage functions, ensuring ultimate comfort no matter the terrain. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and a large panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The Freelander also features a high-end Meridian 3D sound system, wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced connectivity through over-the-air software updates. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Freelander doesn't disappoint. It's available in both hybrid and fully electric versions. The plug-in hybrid combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering around 320 horsepower and an impressive 0 to 60 mph time of just under 6 seconds. The all-electric version takes things further with dual motors, producing up to 400 horsepower and an estimated range of 380 miles on a single charge. Land Rover's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip in all conditions, while adaptive terrain response technology automatically adjusts the vehicle's setup for mud, snow, sand, or rocky trails. The suspension system provides a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're navigating city streets or climbing mountain paths. The Freelander's regenerative braking system adds extra efficiency, and its towing capacity of around 2,500 kilograms makes it practical for adventurous lifestyles. On the road, the Freelander feels composed and confident. The steering is precise, the handling agile, and the ride comfort exceptional. It delivers that signature Land Rover balance between luxury and capability, giving you a sense of calm control even in challenging conditions. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more futuristic car reviews and exclusive automotive insights.